Okay, Facebook friends, this is a big day. I just finished a huge project been working on for a long time. You can see my car's in the driveway. This is where it's been spending much of its time because thanks to Meg, I've had this big project to restore a muscle car, and I finally finished it. So I'm proud to show you my work. A lot of engine work, a lot of electrical work, some interior work. The body was in pretty good shape. But I'm proud to show off my 2004 Chevy Corvette. Here we go. I'm excited. I'm going to drive it for the first time tonight. It's all licensed. There it is. Isn't it a beaut? So, just show you the engine work. I really souped it up with a more powerful battery. You can see I had to do some cutouts to make sure it fit in there correctly. This gives it a lot more power. This is, I don't think it's street legal anymore. So, there's the battery. Excited to show a few of the features of this vehicle. You can see the interior has been cleaned up, safety features, seat belts, of course. Street legal, it's license plates. Wait till you hear this thing. Isn't that sweet? It's got a cup holder. If I want to listen to the game, I just turn on the game.
This weekend, I did. I lost.
It's got a horn. You can turn on the headlights. Hi, Halo. Headlights work. It's got moving turn signals. Not fast enough. So this puppy's ready to go. Still works. So it's a little bit too much power for me. So I'm gonna have to find a test driver. There's some girls that live across the street. Maybe I'll get one of them tomorrow. So this is it. Very excited about it, and I'll post some videos of it screaming down the street soon.